Poems of Harindranath Chattopadhyay. Poems and plays on the death of a bird. I saw thee on thy bed of hay at dawn, a little lifeless body, cold and stiff, and seeing felt within my soul as if a crystal part of mine own self had gone beyond the glimmer of the growing morn. I stood and watched the tiny feathery form, deserted by that something live and warm, which throbbed in thee like flame when thou wert born. For 2 short days thou wert my weary guest, wing-wounded, blind, and sick with pain and strife. My feeble pity strove to give thee life, and pour reviving vigor in thy breast. I sought to give thee comfort, but in vain, since face to face they stood, my mortal hope, which yearned to hold thee, and thy horoscope, planning thy body's perishing in pain. God's ways are infinite. No power dare come between his perfect purpose and its goal. For he, the age-long lover of the soul, subjects all form to endless martyrdom. Who knows why thou wert chosen for a fate of such deep sorrow? Or is sorrow but a figment that with inward vision shut we in our blind unvisionment create? I almost hear thee chuckling at my tears, crying in joy, now that my soul is free and I unbodied of the slavery of form that caught me in the groove of years. Perched on the Maker's hand, so soft, so kind, I seem to see the world of mortals plain, where thirst and hunger, love and youth and pain are unsubstantial phantoms of the mind. I see forests full of struggling flight, and birds with bodies panting wearily. Some yearn for skies, while some from tree to tree do flit for fruit in morning's purple light. But these are ghost creations of a dream, illusion fashions in her narrow sleep. To us unbodied beings who gladly leap past earth captivity, they only seem dim shades of ignorance, which close their gate upon God's ancient knowledge, shapes of earth which narrow heaven to a span of birth, and bind the spirit to the wheel of fate. Rejoice, my friend, for I am now attuned to the great silence that forever sings. Go, let the loose earth cover up my wings and close around the memory of their wound.